It's lunchtime. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Alex. Today we're making dumplings and we're having that for lunch, so let's go. Alright, so let me show what I bought from Lidl yesterday. It's Asian week. I bought lots of sauces. I bought dumplings, which I'm going to have for lunch, and I'm really excited about that. I have ponzu sauce, soy sauce, I also have teriyaki. I don't have a little bowl to dip my dumplings in the sauce, so I'm just gonna sprinkle everything on top and it's gonna be delicious anyway. Here are my dumplings. From the same line, I have ponzu sauce, teriyaki, although I might not need teriyaki. But I do have soy sauce, and let me show you what else I have. Ta-da! Korean red pepper powder, and this is very good. You can make a very good sauce. I don't have vinegar. Otherwise, my usual recipe is soy sauce, a bit of water, a vinegar, and this, but I don't have that, so I'm going to do some different tries with the flavors. I'm really excited. Now, this is the highlight of my day. By the way, if you have not seen this before and if you're new here, I have a new series called Cooking with Alex, where I make lunch or dinner or whatever it is, and I also talk about stuff. And today I'm going to talk about my work. Starting a new job is always challenging, and although we always bring this enthusiasm, like a new challenge, and it's good, it is indeed a challenge, but let's be honest, we're all going to work because we need to work. And there's very few people that actually do it for pleasure. But if you know me well, you probably know that I love to crochet, I love to paint, I love to make jewelry, I love to make creative things. And working in IT for me is really just a way to make money and live. I also love cooking, and at some point I did think about leaving my job and working in a restaurant, because I think cooking is something that makes people happy, and I think bringing something into the world is very important, especially for me. I figure out that that's what gives my life meaning, doing something for others. So while my dumplings are cooking, let me ask you, do you actually enjoy your work? And what do you do for work? And how did you get to do that job? Was it because of money? Was it because your parents wanted you to do that? Was it because maybe you thought you have a passion in that? Or maybe you actually love your job and you're living your dream life, and that's absolutely fine. But let me know about that, because I'm really curious. So whether you're complaining or bragging, you're in the right place. And also, let me ask you, what's your comfort food? And what is the biggest joy in your day or in your work day? For me, it's actually the fact that right now I have my own apartment and I live by myself, so every day for my lunch break I can cook and I can do something like go for a walk. It's something really therapeutic for me, and it really breaks my day into two separate parts, and I think that's something that I really appreciate. Honestly, they're so crispy and so juicy as well. Look at that. I am very looking forward to this meal. Look at them, they are so beautiful and so crispy. Wow! Alright, now it's time to improvise on the sauce. So let's open this. Okay, well, that will do. Satisfying noise, at least. It smells good, vinegary. Okay. And a sprinkle of kotsugaru. Perfect. Look at that. That is art. Alright. Honestly, look at that. That is art, right? This is pure happiness. The meat inside is so juicy and delicious. I didn't expect them to be so good. This is amazing. The sauce is spot on. This is a very successful, comforting lunch between work calls, so I'm satisfied. Food is so good. How? I don't understand people that don't like food, that only eat for survival. I'm like, do you not have taste buds? Food is amazing. I'm going to take my time to finish my meal. Thank you for watching today and for listening to my vent about my work. I've only been here for 4 days and I already have a 5-week packed schedule. How is that possible? Honestly, I didn't even have the time to do my onboarding tasks and trainings. So, I don't know, but I really don't want to work overtime or in my weekends. So, I'll see about that. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching Cooking with Alex and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!